Hello guys, this is another lecture. In this lecture, we will study how to latch and unlatch instruction in Rslogix 500. This is my Rslogix 500. I can go offline. Now I can delete this. This is my ano contact and this is my latch. Output latch set. It is same as set. In other PLCs, we can use a S coil, set coil. So here in Allen Bradley it is latch. I can say this. And now I want to, if unlatch, reset this, I can use unlatch, reset. Reset and unlatch is the same, set and the latch is the same. I can give another name, input I colon 0 slash 0 is my input, and this is my output O colon 0 slash 0. This is my another input, it is I colon 0 slash 1 is my another input, and this is basically O colon 0 slash 0. The same input I want to reset. This will be set using this input. O colon 0 slash 0 will be set using I colon 0 slash 0, and it will be reset with I colon 0 slash 1. How it is possible? Let's run the project. Go and download. Okay, yes, go online and run the PLC. It is going to the run mode. Now it is PLC is in run mode. This is my input. I can say toggle, this will be on. Now I can off it and it is remain on. That is latch. Now I can, if I want to unlatch, I can on this bit I colon 0 slash 1. This will be on and this will be unlatched. This will be reset. Now it will be off again and it will be remain off because it is resetted by I colon 0 slash 1. This is how to use latch and unlatch instruction. It is same as set and reset instruction in other PLC. Thank you very much. I will come with another exciting lecture. Allah Hafiz.